Today, we're going to explore the remarkable contributions of some Muslim scientists who have played a crucial role in shaping our understanding of plants and animals. These scientists lived during different periods in history and made significant advancements in various fields of science. Let's take a closer look at their work. Jabir Binhayan. Jabir Binhayan, born in Iran and practicing medicine in Iraq, was a pioneer in the field of chemistry. He is often referred to as the father of chemistry. Jabir introduced experimental investigation into chemistry, which laid the foundation for modern chemistry as we know it today. Among his notable contributions, he wrote several books on plants and animals, with two of his famous works being Al-Nabata, Plants, and Al-Hayyan, Animals. His exploration and documentation of these topics helped expand our knowledge of the natural world. Abdul Malik Asmi. Abdul Malik Asmi is recognized as the first Muslim scientist to study animals in detail. His work focused extensively on the study of various animals, and he wrote several significant writings on the subject. Some of his notable works include Al-Abil, Camel, Al-Khal, Horse, Al-Wahush, Animals, and Khalq al-Insan, Human Anatomy. Through these writings, Abdul Malik Asmi made substantial contributions to our understanding of the anatomy, behavior, and characteristics of animals. Abu Ali Sena. Abu Ali Sena, also known as Avicenna in the Western world, was a polymath who excelled in various fields, including medicine, philosophy, astronomy, and poetry. He is often honored as the founder of modern medicine. Abu Ali Sena's most renowned work, Al-Qanan fi al-Tib, the Canon of Medicine, is considered a masterpiece in the field of medicine. This comprehensive encyclopedia of medicine served as a standard reference in the West for centuries. He covered a wide range of medical topics, including the anatomy of plants and animals, and greatly contributed to the advancement of medical knowledge. These three Muslim scientists made invaluable contributions to the study of plants and animals, as well as other scientific disciplines. Their dedication, pioneering spirit, and commitment to knowledge have left a lasting legacy that continues to inspire scientists and researchers in the modern world. It's important to recognize and appreciate the rich history of scientific contributions from various cultures and civilizations,